I'm just shooting this wall cloud. This is perfect storm chasing weather. Look at that. We got a wall cloud forming right there, right over central Lakewood. Yeah, these are favorable conditions for tornadoes. The winds are kind of aloft. They're upper level. And as you can see, there's a wall cloud starting to form right there. It's pretty menacing there. See if we can get a better angle. We got a gust front starting to form right there. Winds are picking up out of the northeast. A lot of convection and a lot of moisture in the air, as you can plainly see there. It's ideal conditions. Ideal conditions for a tornado here. I don't know if we're going to see one or not, but we're getting a lot of rotation at the base of those clouds there above the building. We don't see any lightning or anything like that, but we're getting a lot of convection, a lot of air getting sucked in from the east here, northeast. You can see it's light over there. It's kind of lightly raining right now, but I can guarantee you we're going to get some hail out of this bad boy here, and probably more than that. I mean, look at this. This is just ugliness right here. I mean, this is it right here. This is as ugly as it gets. Starting to get the base right here. And you can see the coloration differences in the clouds. You got the upper levels right here. I'd say this thing's probably sparking about 40,000, or spiking. It's way up there. Well, let's see if we can get some rotation out of it.
Back there, you see that cloud right in the middle? That's kind of it's kind of like spinning a little bit. Can't you see it? It's like
yeah,
a circle, kind of.
I do see that.
It's barely turning. And it's the right weather for it too.
Yeah, but look how still this is. I mean, it is totally still. This thing is stagnant. It's not going anywhere.
Well, I like that. That's a nice color right there. That's beautiful. I gotta take a picture of that and put it in my office.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this on my lawn.
Looks like we don't have to go far to go storm chasing today. It's right over the top of us. And if you're seeing the same thing I'm seeing, look at this, man. This is the perfect storm here. And we got a little lower level rotation. This thing is starting to move this way. It's going to be over the top of us here real soon. Look at that. Black.
Oh, it just changed. It
Yeah.
was way different a minute ago.
Yeah, I know. It's moving this way.
Oh, look back there, a funnel cloud.
Where?
Right there, back there. Can you see it behind that tree a little bit?
I gotta move this way.
You can,
There may be one forming right there. Yeah, there's one forming right there, I think. Yeah. Yeah, that's a wall cloud or a gust front moving in over the top of us there. It's moving fast. It's low level.
Oh yeah, I see that. I gotta take a picture of that. That's beautiful.
Yeah. Look at the difference in coloration. You got that.
It's a rain cloud.
Yep. Well, this is your standard.
Oh, whoa, it's almost here already.
Yep. This thing's moving fast.
Oh, that's going super fast. That thing's already over at King Park.
Yep. Now we're getting some green over here. I guarantee it's hailing about a mile down the road.
Did you get those pictures that I sent you? I sent you some on your email.
If I did, I didn't get them.
I guess I'll have to do some
Yeah. Yeah, this is, now the wind's switched to the south. I know you people are thinking we're crazy standing out here, but man, this is yeah, this is really starting to build nicely here. It's back building. Okay, now the wall cloud is almost over the top of us, as you can plainly see, and it is. Oh yeah, it is turning green. Look at that. Got rotation. It is turning green. There's your funnel cloud. It's coming down right now.
Right there. I see that. I need to get a better view. I can see that right there.
Yeah. There could be
2 of them.
There could be several of them coming out of this one. It's a big storm.
Oh, there's a giant one right there.
Yeah.
You see that? It's huge.
Yeah, it's a roper.
Oh yeah.
It's not coming down yet. It's staying up. It's staying up there. That's where we want it. We don't want it to come down here. All right. Wow. We're gonna get some hail out of this for sure. Minimum. I mean, look at.
How fast do you think that's going?
About 40 miles an hour. Okay, what's this here? We got rotation coming right here, right over the top of us.
Oh yeah. Oh, now it's getting darker over there.
Yep.
It's a great day for storm.
Yeah, except right when it's over the top of us.
I know. Walk out right in front of the door.
See, look at this. It's something's forming right here.
That's coming towards us. And it's not that high up either.
No, this is low level. There's a lot of moisture. I'd say the humidity right now is about 100%.
Oh yeah. It's really dry too.
No, it's wet. It's not. I'm starting.
But I know.
Look at that.
Now it's really good.
Yeah, this is a bad one. So whoever's east of us, look out. This is coming your way.
That would be west.
Sorry. West is that way. It's starting to clear
all
out.
That stuff was over there.
Yep.
It wasn't so bad over here. Now it's turning all over there.
Yeah. Look at how this thing is forming now. I mean, it is just.
Oh, look at that. It's all getting closer right there.
Yep.
It's dancing up. And it's coming down right there. Right there. Funnel cloud. See it? It's like a little Twinkie sticking out of the sky.
I don't know if that's a funnel cloud. It looks like a gustnado. It's a sideways funnel cloud. It won't touch the ground, but it'll stay up there and turn. I mean, this thing is just.
The wind is going all over.
Yep. So look at that. You got the green. You're definitely going to get hail out of this. Look at that. Just. Of course, if the cops were coming by, they'd wonder why the heck we're out here. Where's your... That might be a wall cloud right there.
Right above our house. It's all red and green and green. All around. All around.
Okay, it's gonna start hailing. Inside, let's go. Upstairs and get those windows shut. Yeah. Oh, really?